Hello everyone, I'm Max and today I'll show you how to install and use this asset. So if you are using versions from R20 to R23, place the file in this directory. The path may be different depending on your Cinema version. And when you open Cinema 4D, open the content browser and you will see the installed asset. Drag and drop models into your scene. If you are using versions from R24 and above, the installation process is different. Open Cinema 4D, then open the Asset Browser panel, click Create, and then Import. Choose the zip file and click Open. After that, the program will hang for a while and you can't do anything but wait. This process might take several minutes. Once everything unfreezes, you will find the install asset in the list. Drag and drop models from the content browser into your scene. Additionally, all models are available in FBX format and you can import them into other programs. That's it. Thank you for watching.